In hot weather, electricity consumption reaches a new high in many places. What solutions does a company need? Is diesel generator an ideal standby power equipment? With the arrival of hot weather, this year will enter the seasonal peak period of electricity consumption. So, for many companies, how can they still ensure a stable and sustainable power supply during the peak period of power consumption in summer? The key is whether to configure a backup power system, such as a diesel generator set, which has low fuel consumption, good economy, wide power range, wide application range, compact structure and lightweight. At the same time, it is quick to start, easy to operate, and can REACH full load operation soon after startup. Diesel generator can be used as a backup power supply system in the communication, construction, company, medical and other industries, and is the most ideal and effective measure for various enterprises to cope with the peak period of power consumption in hot weather. If your company is looking for backup power generator to cope with the high power consumption in summer, please contact Dingbo Power. We will provide diesel generator with high quality, good reliability and economy, which can meet your demand.